Ministry yogima bomwere ni yugite karutanira ngo kwe muno na nkyama ya kanjama ngabana yenda kwagiridia rwanyiro kaitane okangabana account ya drakani mudo minjoki ora no mukarigete wakamite yogima kire kanjama ngabana na oreti Ministry yogima kwa yaburu kurigire mugomo yomandaitari no Minister wogima kinyanda itare Dibora Barasa ugite ni bairutanire ite kendo tigira mugomo yote kwidira yue karekane ara kinyata reti kwibangania nonto bomutunduko yomurimo ya mpox ningona ndinduranite ronoru mukarigite nene ya kamiti ya ugima kikanja mangabana nora no wengabana account ya darakanithi muthominjoki nedirite nende akiura kia Ministry ya ugima kubwedia kira kionde kikaumbika na kigendeka kendo tiria mugomo yo mandaitari yote ukarika.
As the ministry, CS, this should be one of your biggest tasks and the first one as a priority to address that issue. If those doctors go back on the streets, that will be eggs, rotten eggs on the face of the head of state, having taken them for tea at State House and told them we are ready for you. I have a meeting with Dafchi in another 1 week. I was just buying time. Please make sure that we have something to tell them.
Nwakiario ntubu Minister wa ugima ndeni andikura Kenya ndaitari Dibora Barasa awita baina mbecha tia kwana irabe kirete mandaitari uirane na bakedra baibarea.
What we had agreed with the CBA, we want to assure that the funds are there, but remember it was between July 2024 to now 2025, so we want to assure them that payment will be done.
Nedirite akiongela na kwani baibangite bakwana kenda kuriria mugomo yoyo mandaitari.
For the strike, we are prepared by saying that we are working on it, on the CBA, and especially on the resources. Upon discussion with my peers, I believe that there's a lot that is going on, and within the given time period, July to July, I believe that we'll be able to sort out that concern.
Na kimurimo ya mpox awete adirika nene ne baibangite bakwana kenda ukandana na yuo na dinareri nende nekirema county yake.
Mpox, yes, a lot has been done, but at national level we have heightened surveillance, we have strong diagnostics, we have been training at national level, we have an incident management team, then I saw the isolation in Kenyatta National Hospital. The levels, So the first level is there, but now county level is where the challenge is, and we take note, and I believe Dr. Muleshe, together with the public health colleagues who are looking into this response, will be able to mobilize and train and look into the guidelines, look into a monitoring and evaluation of our capacity.
Bobo yete ore aritingwe bogima bamwere ndeni account amiru bedrete bageta na mbere na mugomo yo irane ndi ukumite ntuko ya 34.